Every day is divided into different parts based on the position of the sun. These parts help us describe time naturally in English. In this lesson, learn the 6 main parts of the day: morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, and midnight. Morning is the time when the day begins. It starts at sunrise and lasts until 12 o'clock noon. People usually wake up, freshen up, and get ready for work or school in the morning. It is a peaceful and refreshing start to the day. Afternoon is the time after 12 o'clock noon and before evening. The sun is bright and high in the sky. Most people have lunch, continue working, or go to school during this period. It is usually the busiest time of the day. Evening is the time when the day begins to end. It starts around 5 or 6 o'clock and continues until night. The sun sets, and the sky often turns orange or pink. People return home, relax, and spend time with their families. Night begins after the sun has completely set. The sky turns dark, and most people rest or sleep. It is the calmest time of the day, when the world slows down and prepares for a new beginning in the morning. Midnight is 12 o'clock at night, the middle of the night. It is the dividing point between one day and the next. Most people are asleep at this time, and everything around is quiet and still. Noon is 12 o'clock in the middle of the day. It is when the sun is directly above us, at its highest point in the sky. Many people have their lunch or take a short break during noon before continuing work or study. Let us quickly review what we learned. Morning begins the day with sunrise. Noon comes when the sun is at its highest. Afternoon follows, leading into the relaxing hours of evening. Night comes after sunset, and midnight marks the center of the night. These time periods help describe daily routines and natural changes through the 24 hours of a day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.